Ionic bonds are formed when elements transfer electrons to meet the octet rule, or to have 8 valence electrons, similar to noble gases. As the name implies, ionic bonds are formed between ions, or electrically charged atoms. These electrically charged atoms are formed when they either gain or lose electrons. Those that gain electrons will have a negative charge, and those that lose electrons will have a positive charge. In ionic bonds, the transfer of electrons between atoms is what creates the different charges of the ions. There will always be one positively charged and one negatively charged. These opposite charges then attract each other and constitute the ionic bond. Ionic bonds always form between metals and nonmetals. Metals can be found in these areas on the periodic table, and nonmetals can be found here. For example, salt or sodium chloride is a molecule with an ionic bond. Sodium has 1 valence electron, so it will give up that electron to meet the octet rule, while chlorine has 7 valence electrons, and it wants to gain 1 more electron in order to meet that octet rule. Sodium will transfer its electron to chlorine. Sodium will then become a positive ion, and chlorine will be a negative ion. And these opposite charges will attract each other and form the ionic bond.